Hi, welcome to Cruise Control. My name's Eric, and today we talk about the end of the Veloster from Hyundai. Let's talk about it right now.
Welcome to Cruise Control. My name is Eric, and we're going to start looking at some new cars and used cars to find out what's the best option for you. Let's see what's up next.
All right, guys, so this is going to be the end from Hyundai. This is going to be the last Veloster that is sold of the regular models. No naturally aspirated, that starts at $19,905. No more Turbo R, which is the spec that I have up here. I thought the Turbo R did a nice balance between being affordable and having some decent power. 201 horsepower out of this little turbocharged four-cylinder. Plus, look at these seats, look at the interior, look at the wheels. I thought this was a really well-packaged deal for $24,000. Unfortunately, those are gone. Thankfully, we are keeping the N. So the Veloster N is sticking around. However, that starts at $33,255. So not everyone's going to be able to afford that. So no more affordable Velosters. Just like the asteroid killed the dinosaurs, what killed the Veloster? Crossovers, man. Everybody wants to buy crossovers, and companies want to make a profit. And I can't be mad at a company for making a profit. But I am still sad to see this little guy go. Did you guys own a Veloster Turbo, or an N? Tell me what you guys think of those vehicles down below. Are you sad by the news that these are leaving? I am. I really like this car. I thought this was bold. It always turned heads for me. When I first saw it on the road, everyone was like, what's this? What's that? And I was like, oh, that's the Veloster. You guys don't know about it. I even cross-shopped this in 2017 when I bought my Civic hatchback. I did end up getting the Civic hatchback just because I needed more space, but this was on my shopping list, and I did look at the Turbo. I was really considering it. So maybe one of these days I can pick up a Turbo R like in this spec here. I just really like the Turbo R. I like the interior, I like the exterior, and I really like the price. So thank you again for watching. My name's Eric. This is Cruise Control. See you next time.